kasal. Hindi mo po kailan sa lahat na may kapansanan, pero hindi ko po nilalagay sa sarili ko na gano'n siya. Pagkos binibigyan siya ng lakas ng loob. Bago ko siya makasama sa pag-vlog, pinangako ko kasi sa kanya na tutulungan ko siya. Ako po lahat mag-edit, ako po yung mag-iisip ng mga bagay. Basta nandiyan lang po yung presensya niya. So sana kasama ko siya sa lahat ng bagay. Sana siguro natupad niya yung mga pangarap niya, nabigay niya yung gusto niya mangyari sa pamilya niya. Sana siguro, wait lang. Sana siguro, sandali. Yung nararating ko ay nararating niya rin. Hindi talaga mo wala sa akin yung mga gano'n. Hanggang napapag-usapan. Pero kahit pigilan ko, gusto ko ipakita sa tao na ayaw kong umiyak. Dahil alam ko, okay naman na siya sa taas. Kumbaga parang, nangihinayang lang ako dahil hindi natupad yung mga pangarap namin o pangarap ko sa tao na yun. Masaya kasi na-recognize ako ng isang kilalang yung Maharlika, kilalang-kilala. Sa ganitong gawain ko, nare-recognize din nila yung mga pagtulong na ginagawa ko dun sa kapwa. Mas mag-grow pa ako o mas marami pa akong matulungan na nangangailangan. Sa Maharlika, maraming po salamat. More blessings to all po sa Maharlika. At salamat po at isa po ako sa napili ninyo.
Let's now call on Mr. Migs Molina. Let's now call on Miss Cathy Yapko. We'll now proceed. Let's now call on Sara Vidi Paina Mercado of Queen Wine. We call in Miss Patricia Javier of Noble Queen. Joining them as well is Annalisa Natavio. That is Annalisa Natavio. So may we request now the ladies to kindly join the rest of the awardees on stage for your group photo. And at this moment of time, May we call on our President, Ma'am Benelyn Amigo Molina, to lead the toast. Mr. Edgardo Mongia, please do join as well. And lastly, on the catwalk, the President of Maharlikang Filipino Awards, Ma'am Benelyn Amigo Molina. Wala ba kayo makabay dyan? So now, Ma'am Benelyn Molina will be leading the grand toast. One step forward, ladies and gentlemen.
Miss Patricia, please do the honor. Okay, congratulations everybody. Let's have a big toast for everyone.
All right. You may raise your glasses and cheers with us. Hep, hep. Hep, hep. All right. We look forward to seeing your faces light up these vibrant urban landscapes, reminding us all of the extraordinary potential and spirit of excellence that these individuals embody. Let's all once again give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so as of our president, Ma'am Benelyn Amigo Molina, the billboard will be coming out next month. So abangan niyo po yan. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. You may now proceed to your respective tables, together with your wife. Good evening to Mr. Ito Concepcion as well. As always, look at what you're wearing, my friend. Amazing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you may now proceed to your tables. Thank you very much. Let's all give them once again a big round of applause before they go off the stage. Maraming salamat po. product formulation goes to Saco Skin, trusted skincare brand for product formulation. Saco Skin.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Sana fresh pa tayo. Dahil kung hindi, mag-Saco Skin kayo. Ayan. Nung una, akala ko, pag na-awardan ako, magpagiging best mom lang and best wife. Pero ngayon, tinayo ko tong brand na to kasama ang aking mga business partners and distributors. Nalaman ko na yung sipag at syaga mo sa pagiging nanay at asawa, madadala mo rin pag nagtayo ka ng negosyo. Kaya congratulations sa ating lahat sa pagiging matyaga natin at pagmamahal sa ating ginagawang negosyo. Salamat!
Outstanding Institute for Aesthetic and Cosmetology Education goes to Lux Beauty International Academy Incorporated. That is Outstanding Institute for Aesthetic and Cosmetology Education, Lux Beauty International Academy Incorporated. Do we still have them here? All right, moving on. Trusted business for cryptocurrency trading goes to New Age Currency. Trusted business for cryptocurrency trading, New Age Currency. Do we still have them here? Moving on, Trusted Apparel Business for quality products. Trusted Apparel for business, quality products. 45 degrees fraternal wear. That is 45 degrees fraternal wear. Trusted Apparel Business for quality products. Do we still have them here? 45 degrees fraternal wear. Alright, moving on. Outstanding Jewelry Brand of the Year. A&A.
Tatay live yan tayo. Kasi tatay pala.
Outstanding Jewelry Brand of the Year goes to A&A Brilliant Diamonds. Outstanding Jewelry Brand of the Year.
Makasalam tapat eh.
All right, you guys can get to know each other first while we're waiting for the right plaque and the trophy. So may we take this moment to thank the photographers, the videographers, the waiters, the production team over there. Palakpakan naman po natin muli lahat ng mga taong nasa likod na ganitong event. So we're just waiting for the trophy and the plaque of A&A Brilliant Diamonds. They are the recipient of the Outstanding Jewelry Brand of the Year. Tama-tama, you could sell their diamonds to the two of them. Or to Mr. Leo Ortiz, he loves diamonds as well. Why don't we hear you speech first? May we request for the good-looking gentleman first?
Kanina doon sa labas nakikita ko si Miss. Pero dito,
In Espanol or?
nasa naliwanag.
I would like to thank the community first and my community for all the awards that you have been going through all the night. Congratulations also. Thank you.
Sino ba yung nasa gitna mo? Hindi ko kasi makikita.
Si Madam siya presidente ng siya nag-invite kay Bunso. Siya nag-invite kay Bunso. Si kasama niya sa TikTok. Diba may TikTok si Bunso? Siya kasama nun. Dalawa sila sa darat. Sa gitna siya. Siya yun.
Video ko ng video niya, hindi ko na napipindot.
Alright, we'll move on to our next award. Maharlika Service Award in Printing. Lanzanity Imprints Publishing